So let's get you the latest, all that had happened in the last 4 hours on the ongoing CBI investigation. Now, the owner of Sushant's Bandra residence has been summoned by the top agency officials at the CBI headquarters in Mumbai, which is in BKC. Now, CBI will be recording the statement of the owner of Sushant's Bandra residence. Meanwhile, another team of the CBI has gone to the Hinduja hospital to interrogate the doctor who was treating the late actor since November last year. Going across to Anuj, who's joining us live from Mumbai. What all has transpired in the last 4 hours, Anuj, in brief, if you can tell us?
Well, exactly. This is the third day when CBI came in action, and since from the day one, we are continuously seeing that how CBI is working in the case and doing the investigation. Since if we brief it from the day one, then we have seen CBI teams reaching to the different places and investigating the case, questioning whether being it Miranda Sanwal, whether being it Neeraj, whether being it the other two person like Neeraj Pithani, or everyone who is related to the case. Let me also remind you that yesterday it was like the recreation of the scene which happened at the Sushant residence, and after that, if we talk about today, since from the early morning we are seeing the fast-paced development in the case, CBI where has called in now all the three, including Neeraj, including Pithani, and the other one at the DRDO guest house.
तुरंत वापस आइए.
Of the residents. He is also being questioned by the CBI regarding that what exactly has happened, or what exactly would have been the involvement, or what exactly his knowledge says about the whole case. Because Sushant was living there in the Bandra house, so there the owner of the house has been now summoned by the CBI at the CBI headquarters. Let me also tell you that CBI one team has also reached to Hinduja hospital, where the doctor who was treating Sushant, who was taking care of Sushant since 2019, is also being questioned. So connecting every dot, since from the day one we are continuously seeing that CBI how connecting every dot, collecting the evidences and making it very much clear that there should be no loophole. On the other hand, if we talk about the yesterday's inquiry or the investigation that has been done by the CBI, then even the Mumbai police was also questioned, the Bandra police station. There was a team at Bandra police station also, and there was a team at the hospital also where I am reporting from. So the doctors who conducted the postmortem was also questioned by CBI. So every angle is being looked up by the CBI official. Since from the day one we are continuously seeing that CBI is taking evidences, CBI is collecting evidences, CBI is recording the statements of all the eyewitnesses, of all the person who were present over there at the time when Sushant lost his life. Even what we have been told that Reha Chakrabarti will be summoned by the notice. So that is also going to be a big development. Whereas we are also waiting, as we have been told through the sources, when the keymaker could also be called by the CBI for the further investigation. On the other hand, if we talk about today's questioning, that what we have been told, that the statement of Neeraj and Pithani does not matches. So that is also where the CBI is going on, where the CBI is continuing with their questioning, that what exactly would have happened, how the keymaker was called, what exactly happened from 13 to 14. So that is something which is being looked by the CBI as of till now. But CBI, as we are seeing and as we are telling it to our viewers, is in fully action since from the day one, and this is the day third when the investigation in Mumbai in the Sushant case is on. Yes.
So what more do we look forward to today? What's going to happen, Anuj? Because will Rhea be also called in? Because you've mentioned that in all likelihood someone will be issued to Rhea Chakrabarti to present herself before the investigative officials. But all important to note that the team is continuously asking those questions to the three of them, whether be it Dipesh Sawant, Siddharth Pithani and the cook Neeraj. If in any case they miss out something, or is there anything that is different from their yesterday's statement, that is how the CBI will actually pick on it, the differences. And that is being said, that it has been pointed out between what Pithani has been saying and what the cook Neeraj has been saying.
Well, exactly. Whether being it Dipesh, whether being it Pethani, or whether being it Neeraj, all three's statement is being recorded again and again since from yesterday. As we have seen it yesterday also, earlier, they were all called in at DRDO guest house where the CBI officials are stationed. After that, they were all taken to the same flat, to the Sushant flat, where the recreation of the scene happened. So, all of these things is being monitored by the CBI official, and if we talk about the more development, then we are continuously seeing since from the morning today also, all three has been called in again. Where on the other side, parallelly, this is the owner of the Sushant house, like if we talk about the Bandra house of the Sushant where this incident happened, the owner of the same flat also has been called in. So we are waiting for more development to come from the
So keep an eye out on what all happens today. Simultaneous investigation that is taking place of all three of them once again today.